Model, 2016 Mercedes Vito 114 BlueTEC Factory Crew Van 12 months MOT VAT included via Body, Blue, Panel Van. Mileage, 193953. MOT, the 5th of December 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 136 HPB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great, starts and drives brilliantly, with a fresh 12 months MOT. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, air-con, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on